I do not like key lime pie, and this is the greatest thing. I don't want to let go
This
of
is
it.
phenomenal.
Well, I need to give a shout out. The key lime pie recipe is Lisa Heslov's, Grant Heslov's. You know Grant and Lisa.
Yeah.
This is Lisa's recipe.
She's like a genius.
When we opened 10 years ago, we bought some pies from the farmer's market for HiHo. HiHo was going to be burgers, shakes, and sometimes pie. Well, the sometimes happened really fast. The stuff from the farmer's market did not work, and we were in this mad scramble. Here we have on the wall, and sometimes pie, and we're like, we're never going to have pie. So I reached out to Lisa, who had made this great key lime pie, and she graciously gave me the recipe.